So why don't we start with the maintenance and repair responsibilities? Why is that important, and where are they going to find that information?
So we're talking about in the context of condominium developments here. So,
Right.
in our experience, virtually every condominium project that we get to work with is structured as an airspace condominium project, right? Where the separate interest, the unit that's owned by the owner, is essentially a block of airspace, and it's bounded by interior finishes. So the owner owns up to the paint on the wall. But once you get into the drywall, and certainly once you get into actually the plumbing components inside that wall, that's outside the boundaries of the unit, and that is a common element or a common area component that the association is responsible for unless the CC&R state otherwise. When I first came in the industry about 10 years ago, I was surprised. We had clients come with us, and for whatever reason, their prior counsel had given them this mindset that, well, if a pipe within a wall exclusively serves or only provides water to that one unit, that is an exclusive use common area component. And I felt that that was a real, a less sophisticated or liberal interpretation of the code. If we are going to have homeowners maintaining common area components, let's look at how the code treats those. These are balconies, these are patios, these are porches.